Hey friends, after being targeted by the reMarkable 2 ad since January this year, I finally caved and got myself one. Today's video is just going to be an unboxing of the stuff I got and we'll cover a full review of the product in 100 days. To start off, let's look at the Marker Plus pen. The difference between this and the non-plus version is the color, weight, and the built-in eraser. I really love the sleek matte black finish and it's really a pleasure to hold. The Marker Plus pen also comes with 9 extra pen tips so that you can swap them out once you've worn your current one down. This pen has a really nice feel to it and weighs about 19 grams. It needs no charging for it to work and snaps magnetically to the side of the tablet. The Plus version has a special tip on the flip side of the pen which acts as the built-in eraser. Really old school and nostalgic. Now moving on to the next accessory, the book Folio. I went for the premium brown leather version. Though more expensive, I just really like the look of brown leather compared to the grey and black versions. It feels so good on the hand and looks incredible. When you open it up, it also has a felt interior to protect the reMarkable screen from scratches. Now moving on to the tablet itself. With my trusty knife, it's time to get that plastic off. Don't you just love the sound of plastic coming off a new product? It's a really thin tablet, coming in at only 4.7mm, or for those of you in the US, 0.19 inches. When you open the package, you get a lovely welcome note from the reMarkable team. You also get a USB-C cable, which we don't have to look at because everyone has a ton of those. And now for the tablet. The moment of truth. Oh, I just love the sound of paper ripping. We designed reMarkable to not get in your brain's way to help you think. Logo at the back, and they have 4 padded feet so that the back of the tablet doesn't touch whatever surface you place it on to avoid any unwanted scratches. Just look at how thin it is, and here again from another angle. Now let's pop it into the case, and it latches on via magnets very nicely. There's a USB-C charging hole at the bottom of the tablet, and a power button on top. Just 2 physical buttons on the entire device. I bought the reMarkable 2 because I really wanted to be able to properly physically write while still reaping the benefits of having a digital footprint. And let me tell you, the writing experience doesn't disappoint. I've written on iPads with screen protectors that claim to help you get the feeling of writing. It doesn't even come close to this amazing writing experience on the reMarkable. Thoughtfully and beautifully packaged with paper materials, the entire unboxing experience was just an absolutely delightful one. In 100 days, I'll be sharing my full review on the reMarkable 2 and whether I'll decide to keep it or send it back. If you enjoyed videos like these, consider subscribing for more of such content.